Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be cooking fish with chili sauce in the air fryer. To prepare the fillet, cut it into sections. Evenly space the pieces on the tray. And then give them a small spray of olive oil. Now sprinkle them with salt. And cook for 12 minutes at 165 degrees. While they are cooking, we will prepare the sauce. Heat up some oil and fry the onion. Add the garlic powder and then add the tamarind paste. Followed by the palm sugar. Add a pinch of salt and chili to taste. Stir well so that it doesn't burn. Now the sauce is ready. Give each piece a generous serving of sauce. And finally, garnish with the spring onion. Easy and delicious.